Do you have a customer that's complaining of a steering shudder or abnormal noise? Well, if it's a conventional hydraulic power steering system, I've got just the answer for you coming up in today's Mighty Minute. While electrically assisted power steering systems are becoming the norm, there are still many of your customers on the road that have conventional hydraulic power steering systems. And a common complaint associated with these systems is a strange noise that is typically heard as the wheel is moved from left to right and back again. Often this moaning noise can be accompanied by a shake or shudder that the driver can feel in the steering wheel. And typically, the cause is relatively simple: air in the system. And the easiest way to get rid of the air is by using vacuum. Here's what you'll need: a vacuum pump, an adapter that will mate with the pump reservoir, and clean power steering fluid as specified for the vehicle application. The process is easy. First, fill the reservoir to the full cold mark. Then use the adapter to connect your vacuum pump to the reservoir. Apply approximately 20 inches of vacuum and let it sit for a few minutes. Keep an eye on the fluid level and replenish as necessary, and continue the process until the fluid level remains stable. If there is air in the system, you'll see an almost immediate loss of vacuum on the vacuum pump's gauge. But once the air is removed, the vacuum should remain relatively stable. If not, that means that there's air getting in the system somewhere, typically on the return side. Now, it could be something like an impeller shaft seal. It's very common for those to leak air. Or it could be something as simple as a loose hose clamp. Keep in mind that you don't necessarily have to have a fluid leak at the site of the air leak. In addition to using this process to solve a customer concern, you should also use this process anytime you've opened the hydraulic circuit, whether you're installing a new pump or reservoir, gearbox or rack, or even just replacing a line. It's especially critical when installing a new pump. After all, hydraulic pumps are designed to pump fluid, not air. And if there's any air in the system, it can quickly destroy that new pump in the first few minutes of startup. Thanks for watching.